Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're delving into a critical issue that has recently surfaced in Boeing's 737 production. It's a complex situation, and we're going to break it down step by step, exploring not only what's happening, but also the potential implications for both Boeing and its key supplier, Spirit AeroSystems. So, let's get started. The Boeing 737, often referred to as Boeing's workhorse, has encountered some production challenges that demand our attention. In this video, we'll unravel the intricacies of these issues, starting with the expansion of Boeing's production lines in Everett, Washington. Boeing's production expansion. Boeing, recognizing the surging demand for the 737, decided to open a fourth production line in Everett, alongside their existing 3 lines in Renton. This move aimed to increase output and match the soaring demand for these aircraft, especially with Airbus making strides in A320 production. However, the logistical challenges of transporting 737 parts from Renton to Everett turned out to be more formidable than anticipated. Logistical challenges. The need to ship various 737 parts, ranging from relatively small components to massive wings manufactured in Renton, posed a significant challenge. The absence of a direct railway connection, compounded by the historical removal of a former link between the two sites, made the transportation of these parts a daunting task. Boeing was now faced with the challenge of finding alternative transportation solutions and developing new packaging methods, particularly for the substantial wings. Boeing's strategies for overcoming logistic challenges. To address these challenges, Boeing has employed a multifaceted strategy. They are exploring innovative packaging methods for the transportation of wings and other sizable components, considering the use of specialized containers and exploring partnerships with transportation companies. Additionally, Boeing is investing in research and development to optimize the shipping process and reduce potential delays. The role of Spirit AeroSystems now, let's shift our focus to the heart of the 737, its fuselage. Boeing, unlike Airbus, doesn't produce its own fuselages. Instead, it relies on a subcontractor, Spirit AeroSystems. Based in Wichita, Kansas, Spirit plays a crucial role in Boeing's supply chain, manufacturing 70% of the 737 structure, including the entire fuselage. Issues with vertical stabilizer fittings. Recently, production issues emerged, notably with the fitting of the vertical stabilizer. A keen-eyed employee at Spirit noticed discrepancies in the manufacturing and installation of these fittings on multiple 737 fuselages. This issue, affecting all 737 types in production, including the military P-8 Alpha Poseidon, dates back to 2019. Although the FAA deemed it non-safety critical, the financial burden for repairs was substantial, estimated at $100,000 to $150,000 per aircraft. Impact on production timeline. The identified issues with the vertical stabilizer fittings have led to significant delays in the production timeline. The meticulous nature of the required repairs, coupled with the need for thorough inspections, has impacted the delivery schedule for multiple 737s. This delay is particularly challenging given the current surge in travel demand and the competitive landscape with Airbus. Snowman holes in fuselage. Another concern involves elongated holes, known as snowman holes, discovered in the aft part of the fuselage. These holes were found in the rivets covering the aft pressure bulkhead, a critical component ensuring the structural integrity of the pressurized fuselage. While not classified as a safety issue, the repairs were challenging, requiring meticulous inspection and, in some cases, significant disassembly of completed or nearly completed aircraft. Supplier dynamics, Boeing and Spirit AeroSystems. To understand the full picture, we need to explore the dynamics between Boeing and Spirit AeroSystems. Boeing's decision to divest certain manufacturing sites, including Wichita, in 2005 led to the creation of Spirit AeroSystems as an independent entity. However, Spirit's intertwined history with Boeing, dating back to World War I, remains evident. The recent challenges faced by Spirit have raised questions about the wisdom of Boeing's divestiture strategy. Financial impact and supplier relations. The financial impact of these production issues has been substantial for both Boeing and Spirit AeroSystems. Repairs, additional charges, and the need for a new contract with the workforce have strained Spirit's financial outlook. The close interdependence between the two companies underscores the critical importance of effective supplier relations in the aerospace industry. Collaborative solutions. In response to the challenges faced by Spirit AeroSystems, Boeing is actively collaborating with its longtime partner to devise solutions. Joint task forces have been established to streamline communication and enhance collaboration in addressing the identified issues. This collaborative approach aims to not only resolve immediate concerns, but also foster a resilient and mutually beneficial supplier relationship. Why did Boeing divest? To truly understand why Boeing divested its manufacturing sites, including Wichita in 2005, we must delve into the changes that followed the acquisition of McDonnell Douglas in the late 1990s. Boeing's shift in focus from manufacturing parts to assembling complete aircraft was a strategic decision aimed at improving financial performance and shareholder value, albeit one that some critics argue may have contributed to the current challenges. Spirit's evolution. Spirit AeroSystems, post-divestiture, underwent significant changes. The company actively sought contracts beyond Boeing, acquiring aerostructures divisions from BAE Systems and expanding its presence in Europe. Despite these strides, Boeing remains Spirit's primary customer, accounting for a substantial portion of its revenue. The question arises, could Boeing absorb Spirit back into its operations, given their intertwined history and current challenges, current outlook, and future challenges? As we wrap up, it's crucial to highlight that while Boeing and Spirit are working to address these challenges, the aerospace industry is watching closely. The impact of these issues on the ongoing production of the 737, as well as the potential for future delays, raises questions about the long-term viability of Boeing's production strategy. So there you have it, a detailed exploration of Boeing's recent production challenges, the complexities of supplier relationships, and the historical decisions that shaped the aerospace landscape. As always, stay tuned for updates on this evolving situation. If you found this deep dive informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, take care.